Step into the 2008 Porsche Cayenne S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are security system, all-wheel drive, child safety locks, passenger airbag sensor, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, passenger airbag, driver airbag, and AM/FM stereo. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.